Nisuwing ba sa kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko nimchaksua ang Alicia A sangma na simang na daling kuburang ko para katinga katabi chungrang Amit Shah Central Bureau of Investigation CBI chi sandi rokani ko dakna gata kuchakataha Shillong mandirang Petrol na Sosojengjeng Ong.A East Garo Hills so candlelight service ko ngatanga North Garo Hills Youth Congress Executive Meeting ko ngatanga Chigumagpa kuburang Mongolbar prungo West Giant Hills aja ni mukro songo Assam Police aro Forest Guard rang ni skatang guwani chi Meghalaya adok ni mande sakbunga aro Assam ni Forest Guard saksa siang na nangahani gemenya asel ni biding o Union Home Minister Amit Shah Central Bureau of Investigation CBI chi sandirokani ko dakna gata kuchakataha Principal Salo Meghalaya adok ni Skutong Minister Conrad Kesangma New Delhi na ya asel ni biding o NIA pa CBI chi inquiry ko dakat china gatari angha Ye asal ni biding o CBI chi inquiry ko dakat China gata Assam Sorkari ba Union Home Minister ko didyang hacham. Union Home Minister Amit Shah ko grongyani jaman kubaratam gaparang na Skutong Minister thalatang ha mukro songo asel ongani ko na ba CBI sandi rokat China wamang Union Home Minister ko didyaha arwaya asel ko CBI chi sandi rokat na kuchakataha ane prakatang ha.
Today in the evening my cabinet colleagues Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and other cabinet ministers, including our Home Minister, had met the Honorable Union Home Minister, Government of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, and we had briefed him regarding the unfortunate incident that took place in Mukro village in West Giant Hills in Meghalaya a couple of days back, where 6 precious lives were lost. We explained and we gave a detail of the different circumstances that led to the incident as per the information that was received by us. And apart from that, we have also seen that statements have come from the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that the entire incident in the shooting that took place was unprovoked and there was excess use of power by the police from Assam. And keeping that in mind, we have requested the Government of India to constitute a central agency inquiry into this entire incident that took place, either through CBI or through NIA or any appropriate agency, so that the truth can come out, and more importantly, action is taken against those who are responsible for this inhuman act. The Honorable Union Home Minister has given us the assurance that he will constitute an inquiry under a central agency, and the order for that should be coming out anytime. And we thank the Honorable Union Home Minister for his positive response.
Mukro songo obosta Ong.A chi mongsong bate Khasi Hills aja o Assam ni garirang ko nosto khani chi obostarang namja batna gata abachingahani gemeno Assam Petroleum Mazdur Union thukme chanchi rimangin ba Assam ni garirang na Meghalaya chugumak naljokan ko na gata Meghalaya sorkari jakurang ko diat khuja na khungkhung Meghalaya china Petrol saldo baeng gapa garirang ko champingat na thik khangani ko brisiba salop yataha Endakung ingon yan dakapa kuburang ko mandirang na sowen ba Shillong sunjinmani dengtang Petrol pump rango garirang ni bangi dan nako nakna gata manskainga armatam petrol pump rango de turang ba bunchang pelaha ane khobor ko manswaha yani gisepon nyam arogi atani rangko ado ko rakhijang ode taung engpa obostan na bate namja batrogni khoba nukso na gata matninga East Garo Hills ni NGO rang brisiba salo East Zone ni GSU office mkhango patanggaman salo West Giant Hills Ajani nung ogapa mukro songo Assam Police ni khasaneng gijadake slag wani chi siang gapa arudukog akapa noktang rang baksa apsan khalam paani ko mesokani chingata mombati rang ko soan paksana bichakani rang ko takangaha Obosong aniko jegalangan baksa mombati rang ko soe bichakanganyo simsangre ni nangrem gemen dengtang NGO rang jekai GSU, FKJGP, AAYF, FAF, AIGU, WGCSU, Auto Taxi Association, Sumo Pickup Association, aro chatro-chatri rang gemekan bakho rang tokaha. Yanas Kang, East Garo Hills aja ni Garo Student Unions GSU, asil obosta o siang gepa noktang rang na, wamang ni kalem paani ko Ong.A nyo, dos ta keparang ko reme sasti Ong.An paksana, wabiapo Meghalaya Police Outpost ko, sungchina geta adok sorkari ko mutmulangaha.
Assam Police!
We condemn!
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 Assam Police!
North Garo Hills Youth Congress Executive Meeting ko Mendipathar Cooperative Holo Ong.A tangaha. Ya meeting ko bersibasalo, chisa baji mangon yung Ong.A tangaha. Ya meeting ko Ong.A ni aradul geparang ko siyok na aro ribang pa election no, rakpate kamka na matna gata chanchi rimso na Ong.A. Ya meeting ko Marcus Sangma taktelangaha, aro Timjin Moment rimchakswani kata rangko aga nangaha. Nur Sofikal Wazit, National General Secretary, Indian Youth Congress baya meeting o mungsong pa sukapa Ong.A bakho rangaha. Omilo sangma Dr. Twil K. Marak, aro Salman di sangma baya meeting o bakho rangaha.
Patang obosar patang yatinibo, jen sumaya atang yapachachi, deleng pa MK government achang, border ko achang. Achri wakat ba MP, achana election agenda mo akanan nila pataka. Anga siapa komanode, anga achingi Christian aro Muslim ba. Korong ko baik kali rabai pa bill ko citizenship amendment bill ko anga jikagen niya chinakana.
Indian Youth Congress! Congress Party!
आपका स्टेट को सेट करना है, कांग्रेस को भी सेट करना है। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।
Yan dal na kubrong a, ni swing pa sa kanti kon metela.